What's up, everybody? Welcome to another new day here. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Because so far in my area, it's turning out to be another beautiful day. So guys, for the first time in a while, I actually stayed up the whole night watching Mission Impossible movies all the way up to Rogue Nation. Unfortunately, we could not find Fallout. So we're probably going to have to find a way to get my Blu-ray copy out of storage and watch it that way. Because none of the streaming services we're looking for seem to have it. It's ridiculous. Yeah, that was actually good. You all saw what I had for my for dinner tonight, this evening. Though it's still full light outside. It's technically now it is currently 6:03. Excuse me. It's just after 6 p.m. Right around time when people start having dinner. But either way, that was a good dinner. That's what's left of my dinner there. Yeah, he just pulled another one of his little pranks on me, so I gotta get him back, guys. Yeah, my phone's being a piece of crap again. See if I can do this.
Hey, this is my man. My name is Scott, and I hope you enjoy the show.
He's still laughing about it. You know what ship that ship horn came from? USS Constellation. Having fun? And he's watching something about the architecture of the Ark.
Noah's biggest design problem is that he is limited by the size of available trees. Wood is a great material to build boats from. Is recreating subjects from history. Hey. We're going to branch out.
Let me know if
I'm gonna sit right here.
How's Father Blake? Still unconscious. Anything on the envelope? Address? City number?
Here I am. Knew you. And I hope you guys enjoyed that last little prank on him, because I know I did. That was funny. But yeah, we just got done watching Robin Hood out in the living room, and I have some paranormal videos going on my computer along with another website up. Yeah. And by the way, guys, It's 12:10 a.m. So, I'm gonna have to let you guys go here. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you did, go ahead and hit that. Go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on post notifications using that bell icon right next to the subscribe button. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out my other channels. All links in the description below. Don't forget to check out my social media. All links in the description below. And I will be providing a link to my new Facebook account, my new Facebook business account, known as James Spiller YT. It's under the link of facebook.com/JamesSpillerYT. Also guys, don't forget to check out my referral links for EpidemicSound.com, Fiverr.com, and Amazon. And check out Amazon Prime while you're on Amazon. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next video.